So before we start, I would like to remind you that this podcast is a safe place to share experiences and tackle issues related to mental health. It is meant not to work as intervention or replace any treatment option. Should you feel that you are suffering from any mental discomfort, it is necessary to seek professional help from mental health professionals. You may check this directory of mental health facilities, services, and organizations from around the Philippines like the mentalhealthph.org or silakbo.ph. Okay. Hi everyone! Today, ang topic natin ay kakaiba. Okay? It's about empowering moms everywhere. How to overcome the challenges of modern motherhood and find joy. Okay? Itong topic ko is for everyone. It doesn't mean na hindi ka naman mommies. Pwede naman itong gamitin mo sa mga kakilala mong mommies or sa nanay mo or sa kamag-anak mo na tingin mo medyo nababurn out na sila or napapagod na sila sa motherhood. Okay? Being mom is one of the toughest jobs out there. And modern motherhood can come with an array of unique challenges. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng modern motherhood? Okay? So it's about juggling remote schooling, Zoom meetings, or trying to find ways to ground yourself in your daily routine. It can be hard to stay grounded and nurture joy during these uncertain times. But don't worry, you are not alone. Today, we'll talk through the complexity of modern motherhood and give you some simple tips on how to take back control of your circumstances so that you can discover empowering level of strength and resilience right now and enjoy finding moments of true joy as long as this journey lasts. Okay? So, modern motherhood is about ito yung mga mommies na pinagsasabay ang work from home or mga Zoom meetings, home remote schooling ng mga anak nila, mga online yung mga bata, tapos at the same time nagtatrabaho ka. So, yun ang modern motherhood, okay? Modern motherhood comes with unique challenges that can be hard to navigate. As a mother, it can be hard to know what the right thing to do is. You want to make sure that you are providing everything your child needs or your husband needs, but you also want to make sure that you are taking care of yourself. There are so many different things to juggle, and it can be very hard to know where to start. Okay? So, yun. Dahil nagkaroon ng change of responsibilities, change ng roles sa mga mommies, dahil sa dami ng challenges ng mommy, nakakalimutan na nila yung sarili nila. Sometimes, inuuna yung mga anak, yung asawa, yung role sa bahay, pero pagdating sa sarili nila, nakakalimutan nila and sometimes then, nagigilty pa kapag inuna ang sarili. You know what? It's really important to take care of yourself. You need to find time to relax and distress or else you will end up feeling overwhelmed. Okay? So, napaka-importante na mommies na alagaan mo ang sarili mo kasi ang magsasuffer yung mga taong mahal mo sa buhay, which is mga anak mo at yung asawa mo. Make sure that you schedule some time of yourself every week, even if it's just an hour or two. Okay? Huwag kang mag-guilty kapag nag-off ka, pagkatiwala mo yung anak mo sa asawa mo. Okay? During that time, you can do whatever you want. Read a book, take a bath, watch your favorite show. Just make sure that you are taking some time for yourself. Or ang tawag ko dito, me time. Okay? So, another thing that is important is getting support from other mothers. Okay? So, ito yung sinasabing it's okay to get help. There are so many different groups out there, both online and in person, that are dedicated to helping mothers navigate this new stage of life. Mga mommy, shout out lang sa Mama Academy PH. This group can be a great source of information and support. They can help make the journey a little bit easier. So, punta lang kayo doon sa Mama Academy PH, makakatulong siya sa inyo. Okay? So, if you are a mother, Know that you are not alone. There are many other mothers out there who are going through the same things that you are. And there are plenty of resources available to help you get through it all. Okay, ito na. Nag-self-care ka na. Tapos meron ka ng support system. Kailangan mo din itong itagdag, mommies. You have to have a planning and organization. You can take control of your circumstances kapag natuto ka mag-plan and mag-organize. Okay? If you are feeling overwhelmed by the current circumstances, do not worry. There's hope. However, with a bit of planning and organization, you can take back control of your life. The key is to start small and gradually build up your momentum. Here are a few tips to help you get started when it comes to planning and organization. Number one, make a list of things you need to do. This can include everything from getting dressed in the morning to completing important tasks at work. Okay? So yan, gawa ka ng to-do list. Okay? But it doesn't mean kung ano nakalista mo, itapusin mo lahat. Okay? So kung ano yung matapos mo, the following day, gawin mo yung hindi mo natapos. Okay? Number two, break down those tasks into smaller steps. Don't try to do everything at once. It's impossible. Kaya tayo na-overwhelm kasi gusto natin tapusin lahat. Third is take the first step and then just keep going. It can be tough to get started, but once you're in motion, it will be easier to keep going. Halimbawa, maraming mga moms na tinatanong, paano ba mag-exercise? Ang kakatamad kasi. So, ang first step is to put on your running shoes. So, once na nagawa mo na yon, dire-diretso ka na, itabi mo yung running shoes sa tabi ng bed mo, pagising mo, suot mo kaagad. Mapipilitan ka na mag-exercise. Okay? Number four is reward yourself for completing tasks. This doesn't have to be anything extravagant. Just a pat on the back or a few minutes of relaxation can be enough. Okay, mommies, careful. Yung reward, it doesn't mean mag-eat all you can ka or magbi-binge eating ka ng mga favorite food mong dessert, okay? Putting these tips into action can help you regain control of your life and feel less overwhelmed by your circumstances. Okay, let's review muna bago tayo mag-continue, okay? So as a mother, you have to know how to take care of yourself, find support from other mothers, and then have a bit of planning and organization. The fourth one is do not overthink. Bawasan ang isip ng isip. No one knows what the future holds. But we can all find strength and resilience within ourselves. During these uncertain times, it's empowering to know that we have the power to get through anything. Minsan, pag-overthink tayo, dahil kaka-overthink natin, nakakalimutan natin yung strength natin. Okay? We may not know what's going to happen, but we can face whatever comes our way with courage and determination. So don't give up hope. Keep moving forward, and you'll find that you're stronger than you ever thought possible. Okay, next. So find moments of true joy in your everyday life. Okay? Ito medyo hirap to sa ibang mga mommies. Finding moments of joy in your everyday life can be a challenge, okay? But it's worth it. Especially kapag ang ginagawa mo gising sa umaga, maglilinis, magluluto, mag-alaga ng bata, maglalaba. Paulit-ulit lang yung routine na yon. Pero ang maganda doon is you should take time to appreciate the little things. You can create a more positive outlook and find happiness in the simplest of moments. Isipin mo, ano ba yung something to be grateful for na yung araw na yon? It could be thank you na meron kang nilulutong ulam, meron kang damit na nilalabahan, meron kang anak na makulit, meron kang bahay na nililinis, yung mga ganong bagay na akala natin burden, dapat tingnan natin siya as a blessing. Okay? Iba naman, yung simplest of moments nila is just taking a walk in the park, spending time with family and friends, or just catching a glimpse of sunset. there are plenty of opportunities to experience joy. It's all about being present and appreciating the moment of what it is. So, mommies, so take a deep breath, hinga malalim, relax, and enjoy the ride. Remember, it will not last forever. Lumalaki ang mga anak natin at nag-iiba ang mga responsibilities natin. So, let's review. Sa mga mommies, so let's review how to overcome the challenges of modern motherhood and find joy. First is take care of yourself. Get a support from other mothers. Have a bit of planning and organization. Do not overthink and find joy in your everyday life. So there you have it, mamas o mommies. You are not alone in your challenges, mga mommies. Hindi lang ikaw nag-iisa. You should know that others have been through and are experiencing similar situation. You can get through this. Yung iba, tapos na, pabalik na sila, tayo papunta pa lang. Which is okay, marami tayong matututunan doon. Okay? And as a bonus, you may find yourself developing emotional level of strength and resilience along the way. Seek each moment of joy in your day-to-day life, no matter how small they may be. Okay? Seek out moments of joy in your everyday life, no matter how small they may be. Okay, so ayan mga mommies, yan ating topic. Sana nakatulong ako sa inyo. At kapag nagawa mo na tong steps na to at feeling mo na overwhelmed ka pa rin, you should seek help. Okay, wag mahiyang humingi ng tulong sa mga professionals. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye-bye.